The Skating Lesson, Part 1. The skaters pass by, so easy and free. They chatter and wave. How hard could it be? I lace up my skates. My mom pulls them tighter. She pats my head and says, "Go get 'em, tiger." A girl all in red draws near and twirls by. She dips, twists, and jumps as if she can fly. She turns and she glides. She's swift on the ice. Maybe one day I can skate just as nice. I peer at my mom, who whispers, "Skate to the song." I step on the ice, but don't glide for so long. I pick up my foot, and then I stumble and fall. The ice is slippery and scary after all. Part 2. I pick myself up. I'm determined to win. But once more I blush and fall right on my shin. I brush myself off and think, this is the worst. And all of a sudden, I have a great thirst. The skater in red speaks. "Hi, my name is Scout. Sorry to startle you, but I think I can help out. First ask your mom if we can go to the arcade. Then we'll drench our dry throats in pink lemonade." We talk and we laugh. I've found a new friend. We sip our sweet drinks right down to the end. "Relax," Scout says. "Skating's no chore." I say, okay, and I'm ready for more. Part 3. Scout takes my hand and leads me onto the rink. She shows me some moves and how not to think. Minutes later, I'm skating. Amazing but true. I'm gliding on ice like all others can do. At dusk, I'm still skating. There's supper ahead. I want to thank Scout, the skater in red. I see her and wave boldly across the wide rink, but she just smiles and spins around in a blink. That night, I think of skating as Mom and Dad doze. I remember my friend Scout as she twirled on her toes. I'm glad I got up and followed her advice. Now I can dream of skating and twirling on ice.